Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. On today's video, I'm going to be trying out this number 7. I know you guys have seen this company at the stores. I think they carry it like Target and Walgreens. So I've never tried out any of their makeup, and I got this little sample of primers and stuff, and it came with this eyeshadow in it. And I thought I would just turn on the camera and let you guys experience the first impressions with me. So it has this cute little packaging. It says number 7 on it. This is the eyeshadow that it came with. It looks just like a brown shimmer. Let's go ahead and swatch it and see what it looks like. Ooh, it's very, whoa, look at that. I was gonna say it's very soft and fluffy in the packaging. Like it's a very smooth formula, but OMG, look at that. Let's just put it on. Wow. Wow. Okay, let's actually get the brush that I was going to use for this video. And it is a little bit powdery. That's fine. I don't care about powdery. Let's go ahead and just apply it to the eye and look. Oh my Lord. This is like super pigmented and super pretty. Look at that color and how smooth it went on. Wow, this feels like a luxury line, which I think it kind of is considered a luxury line at the stores, but a luxury makeup. I haven't really gone through their stuff. I knew that they do a lot of skincare products, but I didn't know that they did makeup. And just by you trying out this one eyeshadow, I'm going to say that their makeup is beautiful. Very, very high quality. And did you just see how that blended so lovely? Look at that. It was just like cream. Anyways, it is such a nice eyeshadow. So I'm going to say I'm actually interested in trying the other eyeshadows, because if they're all this quality, I'm going to say, wow, you should go check it out. I'll find out the price of their eyeshadows and post it in this video. And if I can find this color, which this color says it's Stay Perfect eyeshadow in Pink Blossom. That's a stupid name. They said Pink Blossom. Does that look pink? Maybe it should say brown blossom, but pink blossom? Come on, number 7, get your numbers right, or get your names right on the, come on, Pink Blossom. Anyways, a beautiful eyeshadow color, beautiful formula, but stupid name. Anyways, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit the little subscribe button and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.